The world we live in is not the same as it used to be. Hunger, poverty are plaguing us. This is the reason why the United Nations has proposed 17 sustainable goals for 2030. From these sustainable goals, every country decides its goals and work towards achieving it.
Eating is a common thing we all do, but are you aware of the enormous processes involved in it? There's transporting, packaging, manufacturing and whatnot. There are equal amount of people engaged in doing this work.
As a part of social innovation program in the first year engineering, we have done a project on the topic based on the SDGs on my plate. SDGs are nothing but they are the blueprints to achieve better and more sustainable future for all. So SDGs on my plate explains about different aspects of food wastage and different SDGs mapped for the same.
For this activity, we have chosen 4 dishes: chapati, potato bhaji, dal fry and gulab jamun. The ingredients are listed beside the list, and also we have chosen the main ingredient among it. Under chapati comes Amul ghee. Amul ghee is something which we very well know that it's found from Gujarat. The exact location, that is Alipur. The cow's ghee is sent to the manufacturing units. So when we speak about manufacturing units, we can think about the goal 8, that is decent work and economic growth. Decent work and economic growth is basically nothing but the employment, also the sustainable economic growth, and about decent work for all.
We know we get free food from the nature, but only if we control our appetites. So as we saw now, there is lot of hard work going through this process. We are getting the food and then it is coming on our plates. So there is literally lot of hard work. So we need not waste our food. We should really value the food. This was a whole motto of our activity, the SDGs on my plate.